Responding to US-India trade talks, US President Donald Trump on Tuesday expressed optimism about finalizing a trade agreement with India that would lower tariffs and allow American companies greater access to the Indian market. Speaking to reporters aboard Air Force One, Trump said New Delhi was prepared to reduce taxes for US firms, which he said could pave a way for a deal that could avert the steep 26% tariff rate he announced on April 2nd. While Trump suspended the reciprocal tariffs for 90 days, a 10% baseline duty continued to be in effect. I think we are going to have a deal with India, and that is going to be a different kind of deal. It is going to be a deal where we are able to go in and compete. Right now, India doesn't accept anybody. I think India is going to do that, and if they do that, we are going to have a deal for much less tariffs. Apparently, a team of Indian officials visited Washington last week in a push to finalize an agreement before the tariff pause expires on July 9. Special Secretary Rajesh Agarwal, who is heading the Indian delegation, has extended his stay by another day to try to break the impasse. US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said that negotiations with India were progressing well, and they are close with India. Bessent added that the deal could lower tariffs on American imports and help India avoid the higher duties due to kick in next week. Without a breakthrough, India's current 10% reciprocal tariff could jump to 27% when the pause ends. India is among more than a dozen countries negotiating with Washington to avert the increase. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar acknowledged the delicate phase of the talks during an event in New York on Monday. Jaishankar was in the US to attend meetings of the China-focused Quad grouping. With that, Donald Trump speaks on US-India trade talks, referring deal with much less tariffs.